Hi, welcome to our class's Canvas page. I'm going to be using this website to help me in this course with all sorts of things, like providing resources for you, giving you all textbook materials for free, communicating information quickly and easily, and collecting assignments so you don't have to print out a bunch of papers to hand in to me. Anyway, I just wanted to take a moment and give you a super brief overview of where to find things in here. There will be a page later on that goes into more Canvas basics, so this is just to get you started. So let me give you a quick tour. When you click to go to our course from your Canvas dashboard, you will enter into the home page, which is where you are now. You can always return right here just by going up to the top of the left-hand menu and clicking the button that says Home. That will bring you right back here. Along the left-hand side is the menu for navigating our course. These are just some shortcuts to places we'll want to have quick access to, along with some tools that may come in handy. So these are things like announcements, modules, assignments, and so on. There are two places you should know more about right away. Then the rest we can cover in that other page. Place number one is announcements. Always check for announcements. This is where I'll communicate information with the whole class. If I ever make changes to an assignment or our schedule, I'll announce that here. It also lets me announce if I'm ever running late or even have to cancel class. If you have a smartphone, I recommend you download the Canvas app, the one with the red icon, so you can get a pop-up on your phone when you get announcements from me so you never miss something urgent or important. You can ask me if you'd like more information about that. Place number two is modules. The modules are sort of like our organization system for each week. If you want to see what we've got going on, like what you should be reading or watching or doing this week, modules is the easiest place to see that. For example, there's a module near the top right now that says week 1 and the corresponding dates. Here you can find different pages of information you need this week, along with materials from class, assignments for the week, and any resources I want to provide for you. You can click in and out of each of these pieces, which is helpful if you know where you want to go or what you want to do. You can also just start by clicking the first page listed at the top of the week, which will give you an overview of what's going on that week, and then pressing the next button at the bottom right of the page to keep moving through the week's materials. Let me change this really fast so that you can actually see how that works. So let me unlock that module. I'm going to go back into the student view so you can see what it looks like for you. So again, I'm at the home page. You can go to the modules on the left-hand navigation side, or if you scroll down, you can click the button to go to the modules. And now you can see it's not grayed out like it was before. That means that you are now able to access this module. So if you knew right away that you needed to start with pages number 2A, the research script, you could click directly on that and it'll take you directly to that page. You'll notice at the bottom there's the previous and next buttons. These you can use to navigate through all the pieces of information that you have that week. So, for example, you may just want to start at the top if you don't have anything in particular that you're coming into view. So you click the first one, and this is going to give you an overview of the week and what's due and when. You can then advance to the next thing to do by simply clicking next in the bottom right. I set it up so it will always go to the next thing for you to work on. So here's the Canvas tutorials page. Let's say you complete that. Then the next thing I want you to do is do the Chapter 1 pre-test before you get into the Chapter 1 content. After the Chapter 1 content is where you'll have the Chapter 1 post-test. Anytime you see one of these little hyperlinks, that's designed to take you to where it's talking about at that point. So in this case, I need to go back and check a link on my end to make sure everything's running smoothly, but it should allow you to just progress through the module so that you can complete whatever is due for that particular week. Since our modules are organized by weeks, it's also easy to scroll down and see what we've done in past weeks. So since we're right at the beginning of the course, there aren't any other weeks to scroll down to. But as we build, you'll be able to scroll down to see what we've done in the past as well. Finally, at the very top of the module space, there's a special module titled Keep Me Handy. I've pinned this module to the top so you can always easily find and access some key documents and resources. Here you can find things like the syllabus, the most up-to-date class schedule, and the Raise Your Hand discussion board. I'll also be adding other important links as we need them. Okay, I think that's enough to get you started in our Canvas homepage. If you have any problems or need help, please let me know right away. You can also send me a question directly from Canvas by clicking the button on the far left menu that says Help. From there, you can select Ask Your Instructor a Question. Make sure that our course is selected and then type and send your message to me, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I hope this has been helpful, and I'll see you all soon.